Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue like a pro. We'll start by covering the essential ingredients and tools you'll need to get started. Then, we'll dive into the precise techniques for whipping egg whites to achieve those perfect, glossy, stiff peaks. Finally, I'll share some expert tips for baking your meringue to a crisp, delicate finish, ensuring it holds its shape beautifully every time. For professional meringue, always use fresh egg whites at room temperature. This helps them whip up with maximum volume. Fine granulated sugar is ideal as it dissolves quickly, preventing a grainy texture. Ensure your mixing bowl and whisk are impeccably clean and grease-free, as even a tiny amount of fat can prevent your egg whites from stiffening properly. A stand mixer with a whisk attachment makes the process much easier. Begin by whipping your egg whites on medium speed until they reach soft peaks. Then, slowly add your sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, while the mixer is running. Increase the speed and continue whipping until the meringue is thick, glossy, and forms stiff peaks that hold their shape when the whisk is lifted. Bake your meringue at a low temperature, typically around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, for a longer duration to dry it out completely and achieve that perfect crispness. If your meringue weeps, it often means the sugar wasn't fully dissolved, so whip a little longer next time. To prevent cracking, avoid opening the oven door during baking and let the meringue cool completely inside the oven. Once baked, store your meringue in an airtight container at room temperature to maintain its crispness. For more great kitchen tools, like those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check out the links and other deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.